Unsecured credit cards are perfect for a startup business or franchise or a business that does not want to provide financials. You can be approved for as much as $150,000 in unsecured credit cards for your business based solely on your personal credit quality. This program is as close to no doc funding that you can truly get. Your business can obtain up to a credit line of $150,000 that can be used for any purpose you desire. You can use your credit line for marketing and advertising, purchasing inventory and equipment, paying utilities, even paying payroll. And you don't need to have any business assets or collateral to qualify. Plus, you can add credit partners and get approved for even more money. Approvals typically offer a low interest rate intro period where rates are as low as 0% for the first 6 to 12 months. After your initial intro period, rates are typically 5 to 25% based risk. Plus, your new credit line reports to the business credit reporting agencies, helping you build your business credit profile and score. Approval amounts range from $10,000 to $150,000. The exact approval amount in large part is determined by the existing limits on your credit cards now. You can be approved and have full access to your new credit line within 2 to 3 weeks. There is no upfront application fee. Lenders will include at least an 8% success-based funding fee due to the risk of this no-doc program. All you need to qualify is very good personal credit. Your credit score should be at least 680 or higher with only a few inquiries showing on your report, and you shouldn't have any derogatory credit marks on your personal credit report within the last 12 months to be approved, including no active judgments or collections in unpaid status and no bankruptcies reporting. You should have open accounts reporting on your personal credit report now to be approved. Lenders will want to see that you have an open credit card with at least a $3,000 high credit limit and an auto loan or mortgage. If you don't have an auto loan or mortgage on a report now, lenders will want to see 2 open credit cards with limits of $3,000 or higher. The balances on your existing credit cards should not exceed 50% of their limits for approval. To be approved, lenders will also want to see that your business is listed in 411. You can qualify for between $10,000 and $150,000 in financing with our unsecured business credit cards. You won't need to show financials, and this program is as close to no doc funding that you can truly get, making it perfect for startup businesses and those that don't want to show financials. Contact us today to get approved.